Should you return, what are you going to do?
All this because Loki desires a throne.
It is my birthright. Your birthright was today!
Finish what I started.
Which is?
Claim my throne.
He was your king.
You want to be king?
I don't want to be. I was born to be.
You were made to be ruled.
It's funny, for someone born to rule, you sure do lose a lot. Might even say it's in your nature.
Look around you. You think this madness will end with your rule? It's too late.
You know, things didn't turn out so well for the last person who said that to me.
Oh yeah, Phil Coulson.
You're going to lose. It's in your nature.
Do you enjoy hurting people? Making them feel small? Making them feel afraid?
Your games don't frighten me.
Making them feel little? You weren't born to be king, Loki. You were born to cause pain and suffering and death. That's how it is. That's how it was. That's how it will be.
I hope you know.
Now you see me, brother.
All so that others can achieve their best versions of themselves.
Okay, I thought I was with you. I thought we were gonna fight side by side forever. You know, maybe you're not so bad after all, brother.
Maybe not.
Thank you. If you're here, I might even give you a hug. I'm here.
I assure you, brother, the sun will shine on us again.
I don't enjoy hurting people. It's the cruel, elaborate trick conjured by the weak to inspire fear.